Hello friends, let's make a beef with cauliflower. Cut the beef in very little cubes. Put the beef in a pan and then add 1 medium size of onion. Add some garlic, some red crushed pepper, some turmeric powder, coriander seed powder, some salt to taste. Add 2 cups of water. Now let's cover and cook everything together for 15 to 20 minutes. So the beef is very soft, and now let's add 2 tomatoes and also add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now let's add cauliflower. Now let's cover and cook for 10 minutes on a low heat. So friends, beef with cauliflower is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Good night. Okay friends, let's make butter chicken. We need 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 medium size of onion, add some garlic, and now let's add our chicken. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. And now let's add our spices. Cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon of red crushed pepper, half teaspoon of turmeric, some cumin seed, salt to taste, some black pepper, and now let's add tomato sauce, and also add 300 grams of heavy cream, 1 spoon of butter. Now let's cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So friends, our butter chicken is ready. Thank you so much for watching. It's very delicious, it's very simple. Good night and keep smiling. Hello friends, good evening, and let's make beef tacos. So cook the ground beef very good. Add some salt to taste, some red crushed pepper, some smoked paprika, some cumin seeds. Mix everything very good. Add half cup of water. Now cover everything and cook for 10 minutes on a low heat. So friends, our simple and easy taco is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and you can add any kind of vegetables you like or any kind of sauce you like, and this is very amazing and delicious. Good night. Okay friends, let's make a coconut chicken. We need 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 medium size of onion, some garlic. So after frying the onions, let's add spices, salt to taste, some turmeric powder, some black pepper, some cumin seeds, some red crushed pepper, coriander seed powder. Add 2 tablespoons of water. And now it's time to add chicken. Now let's add some tomatoes and cover everything and cook for 5 minutes. And now let's add 1 cup of coconut milk. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. So friends, our coconut chicken is ready. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling. Hello friends, let's make a steak fajitas. So cut your beef in stripes and put your beef in oil. And now cover and fry for 5 minutes. And now add some garlic and 1 medium size of onion. Now add some cumin seeds, some salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon of red crushed pepper. And now let's add red and green bell pepper. And now let's cover and cook for 10 minutes on low heat. So friends, our steak fajita is ready. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling. Bye bye. Hello friends, let's make very delicious fried chicken on the pan. So the very first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make a seasoning for the chicken. And the first thing we need some salt to taste, some red chili powder, some turmeric powder, some black pepper, and also add some garlic and onion powder. So after making the seasoning, now let's put on the chicken. And now let's marinate the chicken for 20 minutes. So our chicken is done marinating. Now let's fry it on a pan. Now let's cover and fry from the both sides for 5 minutes. So friends, our delicious fried chicken on the pan is ready. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling. Good night. Hello friends, let's make a pan grilling thin steaks. We need some olive oil, put some salt to taste, and also add some black pepper. And do the same thing on the other side. Put some olive oil, salt to taste, and some black pepper. And let's marinate for 20 minutes. And also make your pan very hot and then start grilling. So our juicy pan grilling thin steaks are ready. Hello friends, let's make vegetable cheese omelette. We need some green bell pepper, and also we need 1 egg, some salt to taste, and now let's put some onion on top and some tomatoes on top, and now let's put cheese on top, put some red crushed pepper and oregano on top. So friends, our vegetable cheese omelette is ready. Thank you so much for watching. It's very delicious. Try it once. Keep smiling and good night. Hello friends, let's make Italian style egg. 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 small size of onion, half teaspoon of garlic paste. Let garlic and onion get a brown color. And then add medium size of tomato, salt to taste, and also add some black pepper. And now let's cook everything for 3 minutes on a medium heat. Now put 1 egg in the middle. So after adding the cheese, let's cover and cook for 5 minutes on a low heat. So friends, our simple and easy Italian egg is ready. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Hello friends, let's talk about chia seeds. Drinking chia seeds are very helpful. It's very good for weight loss. Only 2 tablespoons of chia seed have 11 grams of fiber, a lot of iron, calcium and omega-3. Hello friends, I'm sharing a very good drink for the weight loss. We need 1 cup of water, some sliced ginger, and also add cinnamon sticks. And add some lime or lemon juice. Thank you for watching. Hello friends, I'm going to share with you a very good drink for the weight loss. So the first thing we need 1 cup of hot water and 1 tablespoon of lime or lemon juice and half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Thank you for watching.